Overall, they did a great job, and I actually didn't go downstairs until the day they completed. I was like, whoa.
I just thought that they did an excellent job. Jim said, "Do you want to come over and see what they did?" And I said, "Sure." And wow, I couldn't believe it. You know, that concrete was smooth and it was done to perfection.
They were fast. That would take me 3 days, for sure. And we couldn't believe how fast they got in and out of it. But yet took time to explain things. We were impressed and got to know them.
The one thing that really impressed me is when they mixed concrete, they put cardboard down on our driveway. They left nothing. I mean, they swept, and you know, I give them a lot of credit because you don't find that. You know, customer service is very important.
They were wonderful. They were all wonderful. They were great. They looked at me and they smiled and they participated where they could. It was really further beyond my expectations, actually. I could see that they were such a professional. This project required excellent or more advanced procedures than what I could ever have thought about getting from someplace else.
I'm very impressed with what they did, how they did it. If I did ask them a question or little things, I asked them if it would be possible to do. They did them, no questions asked. So we were very impressed.
I felt like the small town atmosphere with the guys working here.
The gentleman that came, he came separate. He pitched right in. He didn't just stand there and watch them. He got, you know, right in there and hands-on, and that's what makes a good team. Even our neighbor came over and he was really impressed as to the job that they did. He couldn't believe either how quickly they got the job done.
American Water Works will give you their true diagnosis, and they'll give you their price right off the bat, and they'll come in and take care of it very quickly.
Don't go anywhere else. Call American Water Works.